And as you can see, the proof is in the pudding, people. Colliding particles, what CERN does, can make black holes, right? Scientists recreate space particle collisions inside Large Hadron Collider. Okay, so they got it so this Large Hadron Collider collide particles in the same way they collide in space. Scientists recreate space particle collisions inside Large Hadron Collider. People, what? How many times I have to say this? The latest collisions are meant to replicate the interactions between cosmic ray particles and interstellar dust particles. Cosmic ray particles are high energy particles originating from outside the solar system. Wow, people, it's in our face. And it's recent. 2017 is recent. Right when all the stuff, the weird stuff is starting to happen, these people are completing this experiment little by little, time going by, and they are completing this experiment, people. The Large Hadron Collider was created to collide particles to make portals, these black holes that can be made in space, which is why CERN and NASA has whoever funds CERN and whoever funds NASA have to have a lot of money. These people is the reason why Earth is turning to hell right now. They want this to happen, people. And the Large Hadron Collider was created to collide these particles to open these portals to these other evil dimensions to be collided in space also. That's why they say in CERN, all the black holes we make in CERN isn't able to swallow the earth. No, because y'all are getting ready to perform the same particle collision in space. So that's where all the action happens. That's where the plans all fall through at in space. That's why the Large Hadron Collider was created. So they can interact with these particles outside of our solar system and to inside our solar system magnetically and collides them together to open these portals that are in our magnetic field. People, you have these physics in CERN, just whipping up these particles in their machine they call the LHC, the Large Hadron Collider, 27 kilometers, wide. It's like a little tunnel they got on the ground that collides these electrons, these protons, these particles together. And all these particles are in space, people. So while they work on that mixture of particles they need to summon whatever they're trying to summon, down here on Earth in Switzerland, they also have a plan with NASA to do the same thing in space. So the portals they make down in Switzerland be the plan they trying to make. The portals they make in Switzerland, people, are the portals they are trying to make in space, that they open up in space to summon wherever they trying to summon people. These people are with NASA on this. So we have these portals in space which are being made by CERN, and these portals, all 93 million miles within Earth, magnetic field, or the sun's magnetic field. All is happening in this area. Everything that is happening is no further than our magnetic field, people. And CERN has these magnets they work with. I believe CERN is also colliding particles with NASA in space that are leading these planets, opening these portals, summoning these ghost particles, and attracting these these planet bodies that are hell, and they're slowly completing their experiment, people. What I am saying is, CERN make these portals in Switzerland, and they wrap up whatever they need to wrap up to get ready to go with NASA to perform these particle collisions in space. So these people can collide particles in space also. So why can't these people magnetically attract these planets and this iron planet Nibiru that is hell, people? Why couldn't they do this? Like, it's simple, people. These people are working on something big. So I'm gonna just say this solar system from Nibiru, this planet called hell. Every planet in this solar system, even the new planets they are attracting, all plays a role in life, all plays a role on Earth. All of these planets has its own cosmic ray particles coming off these bodies of planets. All these cosmic ray particles are being used for their portals they perform in space, people. These black holes, these particles, they collide to people. For example, now we have this new goblin planet that just entered our solar system as the furthest object. And 93 million miles is not that far, people. It's really not that far. You can see the shit in our skies. So this new planet that entered our solar system has its own cosmic ray particles and high energy particles releasing in our solar system, which they use to collide to make these black holes.